Sensitivity analysis is used extensively in RiskyProject in both analysis and risk scoring and prioritization. The results of sensitivity analysis are primarily shown in the sensitivity analysis and crucial task views. This allows you to identify the tasks and risks which are in the main sources of project variance. To generate a sensitivity analysis, on the Analysis tab, click Sensitivity Analysis. First, run a simulation if you haven't already done one. Next, select a project parameter such as finish time from the drop-down list. Next, on the bottom, click a task parameter checkbox, for example, task duration. RiskyProject will generate a sensitivity chart that identifies which task's duration has the most potential to impact the project's finish time. Task parameters that can be analyzed are duration, start time, success rate, cost, or lags. You can also do the same with risks for each project parameter or select all parameters to rank risks on their overall impact. On a Gantt chart, the Crucial Task view uses sensitivity analysis to highlight the activities that have the most impact on the project. To open the Crucial Task view, on the Analysis tab, click Crucial Tasks. The Crucial Task view uses a stoplight analogy of green, yellow, and red to highlight low, medium, and high-risk activities on the Gantt chart. This view can be extremely useful to identify and visualize where on your schedule you should focus your management efforts during a project. Crucial Tasks view displays the results of sensitivity analysis on the Gantt chart. Crucial tasks are shown in red.